Setting up WorldPay direct integration is a straightforward process that allows businesses to accept online payments securely and efficiently. To begin, you will need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and installation ID, which are unique identifiers used to authenticate your transactions. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the installation section, where you will find your installation ID. Copy and save this ID, as you will need it later in the setup process. Next, go to the merchant section and locate your merchant ID, which is typically a series of numbers and letters assigned to your account. With your merchant ID and installation ID in hand, you can proceed to set up your payment gateway. This involves configuring your website or application to communicate with WorldPay's servers. Using a secure protocol such as HTTPS, you will need to specify the URL of your payment page, as well as the callback URL where WorldPay will redirect customers after a transaction is completed. To integrate WorldPay with your website, you can use a variety of programming languages, including Java, PHP, and Python. WorldPay provides a range of APIs and SDKs to simplify the integration process, including a payment gateway API that allows you to process transactions programmatically. When integrating WorldPay, it is essential to ensure that your payment page is secure and compliant with industry standards, such as PCI DSS. This involves using a secure connection, validating customer input, and storing sensitive data securely. You should also implement robust error handling and logging mechanisms to detect and resolve any issues that may arise during the payment process. To test your WorldPay integration, you can use a test account and a range of simulated transactions, including successful and failed payments. This allows you to verify that your payment gateway is functioning correctly and that you are handling errors and exceptions properly. Finally, once you have completed the setup and testing process, you can go live with your WorldPay integration and start accepting online payments from your customers. It is essential to monitor your transactions and payment gateway regularly to ensure that everything is working smoothly and securely. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a reliable and secure WorldPay direct integration and start growing your online business today.